Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Good morning viewers. I welcome you all for the daily predictions. We will be listening to the daily predictions for the day to all the zodiac signs, right from Aries to Pisces. I wish you all a good luck for the day. Keep this channel subscribed so that you will get all my updates instantly. Share it with your friends and groups.
23rd January 2021 and today's star is Kritika, the star of Sun. So Sun seems to be very much powerful today. And you can see the planetary positions as Mars is strong at Aries, Rahu at Taurus, Ketu at Scorpio. You can see Jupiter, Saturn, Sun and Mercury at Capricorn. Venus is strong at Sagittarius and Moon moves from Aries to Taurus today. For Aries, today as Sun is very strong at the 10th house and because it is day for Sun, there will be some strong opportunities from government related workers. So those who are working in government based jobs, they can find some good day. They can expect some benefits and profits from the government. Some may get some good benefits from the government and some can expect government projects or jobs today. They can enjoy the day with the family members. As Moon is strong in the second house, some can win over the enemies or others through their communication. So their communication base is very strong as Moon is very strong in the second house along with Rahu. So they should be careful in certain places also. There may be some confusions in the family. In case of Taurus, as Sun is at the 9th house, some may face some problems with the father and his father side family members. Hard work will support both in the workplace as well as in the business. Their hard work and efforts will bring them very positive results for them. Moon is in the first house, some may find cold related problems like sinus or cough or cold etc. In case of Gemini, as Sun is very strong today at the 8th house, some may find a day very much tough and they may find some problems with the seniors at the workplace. Moon is again in 12th house, some may get a stressful day in the areas of their work or in business etc. As there is a strong conjunction of planets at the 8th house, it is again very much tough for them and they should be very much careful in dealing with the external person today. Some good opportunities for those who are having very positive Rahu. Some may find some foreign opportunities also. For Cancer, as Sun is very strong at the 7th house, there may be strong issues with the life partners. There may be controversies and contradictions with them. Strong conjunction of planets 7th house, some may find challenges in the business. As Saturn is strong in the 7th house, so tough time also in business. For Leo, as Sun is the owner of the house, it is the 6th house today and it's a good time for those who are in the workplace as well as in business. Some may win out of their enemies also. As Moon is strong in the 10th house, some may find the good support in the workplace. Their hard work can yield very much positive results. In case of Virgo, as you can see, Sun is very strong at the 5th house. Some may find issues with the children. There is a strong conjunction of planets at 5th house. Some may find good time with the children also. So both they will see depends upon the individual horoscope. As Moon is strong at the 9th house, there may be some good lucky time with their father's family also. And in case of Libra, as Sun is strong at the 4th house, investments on government related projects will help them a lot. Okay, they can invest in government related bonds and find some good profit. As Moon is in the 6th house, some may find more troublesome day and they may lack in their confidence also. Government based jobs could be more profitable. Some can expect some government related interviews also. In case of Scorpio, as Sun is very strong in the 3rd house, some may find some good profits through their hard work. So it is the hard work is the key for them. As Moon is strong in the 7th house, some may find some good time in business as well as they find suitable alliances for those who are not married yet. And in case of Sagittarius, Sun is very strong today. Some may need to be very much careful in communication because it is strong at the 2nd house. So careful in communication as the 2nd house seems to be highly conjuncted. So some may find some expenses also like for marriages or purchase of gold or silver like that. In case of Capricorn, Sun is very strong at its own house Capricorn Some may find heat related problems today. There will be strong heat problems. As a strong conjunction of planets at the Capricorn, some may find health related issues. Some may get back their pending money from others, and they should be very much careful in doing arguments with the life partners or in business also. And some may spend money to lend others. That may be another problem for them. In case of Aquarius, as Sun is very strong at 12th house today, some may need to spend a lot for the fathers and the father side family. Again, Moon is strong in the 4th house, some may get good profits in shares and mutual funds also. So there is equally they have positive and negative results today. So whatever they earn out of the different investments today, at the same time they will do the expenses also. So this is the scope for them. In case of Pisces, as Sun is very strong in the 11th house, some may find good government-based job opportunities, and communication could be more favorable for them, and some may get some good returns in the share markets by selling the assets or buying some shares or selling shares like that. Business and job opportunities are equally good for them. Children might study well. These are some of the positive things for them. So this is all for the day. Again, I'll meet you again tomorrow. Thanks